Hi, how you doing? Aaron here. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filters on the Nissan Xterra. However, this is the same procedure for Nissan Frontier, Nissan Pathfinder, and it's very similar to Nissan Titans and Nissan Armadas. For this vehicle, there are no tools that are required. However, you may need a 8mm or 5/16 socket or wrench to get the door off of the access door off of the heater box or the AC HVAC box, but I'll show you where that's at in a minute. So first step, we're going to need to gain access to the cover, which requires removal of your glove box. So go ahead, get everything out of the glove box, because we're going to be flipping this down, which is actually simple to do. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this and pull it in and pull it down. You're going to take the other side and do the same exact thing. It actually requires a little more strength, and there you go. Go ahead and tilt it down, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to remove this little drawstring. Remove the drawstring, and we're going to gain access to our lid, which is right there. So there's a little bit better picture of your cover, which is held in right here very loosely. There's a tab at the top. Very carefully, don't just push it up without breaking it, and remove your cover. There's actually two filters inside this system, and what you're going to need to do is what I like to do is take the corner of one and move it out. Oh, look at that, that's pretty dirty. I'm gonna just throw that down, and to get to the second one, you're gonna take the corner and kind of pinch it a little bit and slide it out too. There we have it. So before we put in the new filters, I like just to compare them to the old ones to make sure they are the same size, and they are. These ones aren't too bad. I mean, they definitely are dirty. They need to be replaced. I've seen a lot worse. Oh, look at that. Yuck. So some things I've seen from a bad cabin air filter is low air pressure, low air volume, musky smell, just really not good smelling air. This is definitely going to help that. I like to do these at least once a year, but let's go ahead and throw these puppies in. Alright, so for the first one, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to insert it into the box, and with our finger, kind of depress the tab here to make it, not the tab, but the corner to make it go in, and then reach along the long side and kind of scoot it over as much as you can. You're not going to be able to get it all the way over, but you basically want to create as much room as you can for the new one to come in. So what I do is I take the corners and just squeeze them in just to start them, and once it gets in there, it'll actually go right, and there we go. So there we go. As you can see, they're both in, and you might need to wiggle them back and forth, but they're definitely both in, and we're ready to install our cover back onto the box. Alright, so there we have it. Once you got your cover on, make sure it's nice and secure and won't fall off. If it does, that's going to be an issue, because air is going to be leaking past your filters and not going through your vents. Go ahead, put your string back on. It is spring loaded, so you're going to have to lift up your box a little bit and pull on the string to get it past this little nipple area. Go ahead and squeeze the side of the glove box in. You're going to hear that little click. That means it's secure. Close it, and that's about it. Go ahead and turn on your AC and your blower to make sure you have proper ventilation. That's pretty much it. Hope this video has helped you out. If it has, like and subscribe. If you do it a different way, let me know in the comment section, guys. Take care, and see you next time.